Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Jef and I'm a product designer at Radix. Within these slides, I'll take you through my role as a designer at an artificial intelligence agency and through our approach for product design, or more specific, user experience design for AI systems. Designing with and for artificial intelligence causes a change in the role of a designer. It shifts from solving problems to exploring which problems make sense to be solved, and then creating a space and boundaries for AI to address these problems. At Radix, we developed a set of design principles specific for user experience design of AI systems. We like to think of AI as a co-pilot and strive to empower our clients with the use of artificial intelligence. This means that every cooperation should be frictionless and trustworthy, and design is a crucial tool to achieve this, because it allows to create trust and explainability by compensating for the statistical nature of artificial intelligence. To make sure that what we develop meets this goal, we use the following 3 principles beforehand, during and after our projects: design for trust, design for explainability, and design for co-learning. Design for trust means that it is important to determine how and how much information the user should get in order to create the appropriate level of trust. This can be done through articulating data sources, showing confidence levels, and weighing the cost of false positives and false negatives. The example on the slide shows an app that recognizes edible plants. As some plants are poisonous, it is rather important to not show singular results based on confidence levels, since a mistake can have big consequences. The user should always get sufficient information to be able to use his own judgment if needed. Design for explainability means that the AI system should be designed in a way that every decision it makes can be explained to its user. User experience design helps to make these decisions and explanations understandable and actionable. The example of recruiting applications shows that the user, a recruiter in this case, can act more efficient if given the proper information about the decision the system made. Design for co-learning implies that when developing an AI application, one should always keep in mind that the system learns from its users, but that users also learn how to use the AI system. User experience design helps set the expectations of the user, while it enables the continuous feedback loop that engages users and allows the system to keep learning. The example of a music app shows that while asking for feedback, you should recognize this feedback and also base some kind of action on this feedback. If the user feels that this feedback is valuable and makes his experience better, he will have a reason to keep giving this crucial feedback. So at Radix, the user should always come first, and by applying these 3 design principles in our projects, we try to make sure that every interaction with an AI system is as smooth, valuable, and empowering for every client as possible. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions or want to know more, you can always contact me at jef@radix.ai.